Here's a quick video going over the toggle bulk actions feature within our Momemtum modules. In the top right corner of most of our Momemtum modules, you will see a check mark. When selected, this will open up boxes on the left side of the items. You could select all the items listed or select multiple items. You will then see next to the check mark an actions button. This action or the actions displayed will be different depending on the items you are looking at. So for insureds, we see assign agents /CSRs, remove agents, replace agents, change state, change location, change tags. And if you select any of these, the action you have selected will take place to all of the items you have selected. If we go into an account, you will see the bulk actions are different. So looking at policies, we can see some other ones. If you go to tasks, we'll see other ones. If you go to vehicles or any sort of items, you will see different actions. So this is a very useful tool to have multiple actions take place to multiple items at once. Thank you.